So as I walk to each of your desks, I'm going to kind of be asking and looking for the same sorts of things. So, Kellyanne, what was the first thing I asked you? The first thing I asked you wasn't that. It was something else. Anybody? Hidden or visible? That's the first question. Then the second question is, right, which access point? Does access have two C's or one C? I think it's one C. Two C's. Two C's? Two S's?
Yep.
I'm a horrible speller, so I guess I did spell it right. Okay, so that's the second question I'm going to ask you. And then the next question that I'm going to ask you is, where's your porch? Where's the entry porch? Where is entry? And I'm going to call it the entry recess. That's the subtraction. Okay? So you're going to show it to me. Then I'm going to ask you some questions about that entry recess. First question is, does it make sense where you put it? Does it make sense where you put it? Did you say that you're going to come in and point to and you put it on the back? Or did you follow the rules? Is it on B? Is it on the north, or no, the north, east, or southeast corner? Question mark. So Kellyanne, what was one of the issues we had with yours? The height, right?
Yeah.
So the next question I'm going to ask you is, are the heights in the range? Right? So those are all questions I've asked so far. Then I asked something else, right, about the entry cut. So the last one was, did you use subdivision? Vision. Right? Did you use subdivision in deciding how big and how far across to go? Those are all things we talked about last week. And then I'm going to also ask you if, number 4, do you have your plan? Okay? So that's what I'm going to be asking you guys to do. Today, during class, my expectation is that you guys will be cutting the entry porches and that you guys will make a decision and cut the sunset porch. And my hope is that we will do that very quickly so that we can then start to talk about, are we going to do other articulations? Are we going to make like a counter? Are we going to try to define the rooms inside by dropping the ceiling or something? Okay? All right, questions? All right, go ahead and stop that video.